Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of -1 to the power of pi. From Euler's formula, we know e to the power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Now substitute this theta as pi. So substituting theta is equal to pi here, we will get e to the power I times pi, this theta is equal to pi, is equal to cos of this theta as pi plus I, this sine of this theta is equal to pi, or e to the power I pi is equal to the value of cos pi is equal to -1. So substitute this value here, we will get -1 plus this I, and the value of sin pi is 0. So this will be 0. Or this e to the power I pi is equal to this I times 0 is 0. So it will remain -1. Now raising both sides power by pi, we will get e to the power I pi whole to the power of pi is equal to, right side is -1 to the power of pi, and we have to find this value. Or changing the sides, we can write -1 to the power of pi is equal to this e to the power this I times this pi times pi is pi square, or this -1 to the power of pi is equal to, again applying this formula, e to the power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Here e to the power I, this pi square as theta, so we will get cos of this as theta, so cos of pi square plus I sin of pi square, and this is the general value of -1 to the power pi, and substituting the value of pi square and this cos, so this cos pi square and sin pi square, we will get the approximate value. So the approximate value of cos pi square is -0.9, and the approximate value of sin pi square is -0.43, and this I. So this is the approximate value of -1 to the power pi, and this is the general value of this term. So this is the solution of our problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.